teens. Where do they go to work? You know, as a teen comes of age that they can go and apply for a job, they normally pick the low-level ones, the ones with the hourly minimum wage paychecks. Some place like maybe McDonald's, Subway, Burger King, fast food restaurants, any types, maybe nail salons or wherever, I'm not too sure. And the thing is that sometimes since they're taking a job and they're also going to school at the same time, sometimes they have to take off of work because, they have a big final coming up and they really need to study. And well, that's totally understandable. But if you think about it from a different aspect, let's say if I'm going to use McDonald's as an example. Let's say if at McDonald's they have 4 employees and every 3 hours they change the shifts. Well, if these are all teens and one of them has to suddenly say, I can't make it to work today, then they're down to three different people. And these 3 different people are doing the same amount of work as those 4 people would do without reducing the customer experience or the quality or whatever else. So here's where my unique thought comes into play. How about these companies that pay by the hour, the minimum wage, like McDonald's? How about if one of their employees like this is ever absent, they can take the money that they saved from their paycheck or their salary and distribute it amongst those 3 people, because these 3 people took on an extra load, they spent extra time, and they made sure everything was extra perfect with one of them missing. And in this way, we would be helping the teens, and don't you think it would be fair as well? Let me know what you think. And if you haven't guessed it already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I could get my unique thought by just hourly paychecks, then you could too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.